Joshi at Mathar village on 21st of Jan 2016. We are here to organize a free medical camp by Salya Charitable Trust in support with Uma Welfare Trust. This is the medicine counter. As you can see, free medicines are being distributed. The camp timings are from 10 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon.
Patient's name she is 27-year-old. She has recently delivered a baby boy. She is suffering from bilateral knee joint pains and backache since the time of delivery. We have given her nitroglycerin ointment for local applications, and probably that would serve the purpose of her problem.
Today we examine approximately 500 patients in the camp. We provide them free medical assistance and medicines also. Tomorrow we can call them approximately 300 patients as the hospital for the free medical assistance and as well as financial assistance also. We are very thankful to the Uma Welfare Trust and Salya Charitable Trust for the organizing this type of medical camps. Today we got patients like of diabetes, cardiac and hypertensive as well as multiple disorder.
We are already around 400 patients who have received free treatment as well as free medicines. We have a team of doctors like a pediatrician, ophthalmologist, orthopedic surgeon, general surgeon, physician, and we hope to probably cater to around 400 patients by the end of the camp. And as you can see, the patients are queuing up for registrations even as I speak. And I'm very thankful to our dedicated staff of doctors, ably supported by nurses and other support staff, as well as to Salya Charitable Trust, as well as Uma Welfare Trust for giving us this opportunity to do such a lovely thing.
હું આભારી છું અને સાલ્યા ચેરિટેબલ ટ્રસ્ટ અને ઉમા વેલફેર ટ્રસ્ટ મારા ગામમાં બિલકુલ ફ્રી ઓફ ચાર્જમાં કેમ્પ રાખેલ છે અને તેઓ મારા ગામના 350 કેસોની ગણતરીમાં લઈને જવાના છે. એમનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું કે આવો ટ્રસ્ટ મને ફરી આપી શકે.